Okay, so picture this. You're scrolling through social media and someone pops up saying, I just made $500 trading Forex from my phone in bed. You pause, maybe laugh, maybe raise an eyebrow. You think, is that even real? Can people actually trade currencies from home? Well, that's what we're unpacking today. Welcome back to Pit Buddy, where we turn Forex from confusing to clear. In our last video, we broke down what Forex is, so if you missed that, go back to it. The buying and selling of currencies in the largest financial market on earth. But now it's time to talk about you. Can you really get involved? From your couch, your kitchen table, maybe even that local cafe with the spotty Wi-Fi. You know the ones. Long answer, let's dive into it. Let's start with what you actually need to trade Forex from home. Spoiler, you don't need 6 monitors, a tie, or a degree in finance. In fact, you might already have everything you need already. First, a device, a laptop or a desktop is ideal, but even a tablet or smartphone can work. Many brokers offer mobile apps with full trading functionality. Second, a solid internet connection. You don't need fiber optic speeds, but you do need something stable. One thing you don't want is to lose connection mid-trade, just as the market spikes. Third, a trading platform. This is your cockpit. Platforms like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or CTrader allow you to place trades, monitor charts, and analyze currency pairs. We'll cover how to use these in upcoming videos, so don't worry. They look more complicated than they actually are. Fourth, a broker account. Brokers are the middleman between you and the Forex market. They provide the platform, handle your deposits, and execute your trades. Some are, let's say, not so amazing. So that's why choosing the right one matters, and we'll guide you through that too. And finally, you'll need something a little more abstract, but just as important. Risk capital. This means money you can actually afford to lose, not your rent, not your emergency fund. Think of it like paying tuition for the school of trading. Now, let's talk about expectations. Yes, you can trade from home, but that doesn't mean you're going to be making thousands of dollars overnight. This isn't magic. It's not a cheat code. It's a skill, like learning a language, like lifting weights, like cooking something that doesn't just come out of a microwave. You're gonna be making mistakes. You're gonna be having losses, but every trade is a lesson. And if you treat it like a craft, not a shortcut, you're gonna be getting better. That's the Pit Buddy promise. We're here to help you build, not bluff. Now, let's do some myth busting now, because let's be honest, the internet is full of Forex nonsense. Myth number 1, you need thousands of dollars to start. False. Many brokers offer accounts with minimum deposits as low as $50 or even less. Yes, bigger accounts offer more flexibility, but everyone starts somewhere. In fact, we actually recommend starting small while you're learning. Better to make mistakes with $100 than $10,000, right? Myth number 2, Forex is gambling. Look, anything can be gambling if you throw money at it without a plan, but Forex isn't designed to be random. It's based on economics, interest rates, global events, and technical patterns. When you trade with a strategy and risk management, it's not gambling. It's calculated decision-making. Myth number 3, it's passive income. Not in the beginning, so eradicate that quickly. It's really not. Forex is active. It takes focus, practice, time. Eventually, then you might create systems that automate parts of your trading, but up front, you've got to get hands-on. And myth number 4, you have to be a math genius or finance bro to be good at it. No, that's totally not true. Some of the most successful traders out there are artists, musicians, engineers, teachers, people who took the time to learn a skill and stuck with it. The market doesn't care about your job title. It only responds to your decisions. Let's talk about lifestyle for a minute now. What does it actually feel like to be a home trader? Well, first off, you control your hours. Want to trade early morning London sessions before work? Yeah, go for it. Night owl? Who loves the New York close? That's fine too. Forex operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It doesn't matter where you live or what your schedule is. You can find a time that works for you. Secondly, there's freedom. Yeah, you're not answering to a boss. You're not sitting in dreadful traffic. You can build this around your life, not the other way around. But, and this is very important now, that freedom can backfire if you're not disciplined. Without a plan, it's easy to overtrade, to chase losses, to stare at charts for hours and just burn out. That's why we emphasize structure. Even as a home trader, you need a routine, you need goals, you need limits now. We'll help you build those systems in this series, so don't you worry. Let's be real. Trading from home is possible, it's powerful, and it's empowering, but it's not easy. Going to have days where the market makes 0 sense, where your trades go the wrong way, where your confidence takes a hit, that's normal and that's part of the game. But if you're willing to show up consistently, stay curious and keep learning, you'll eventually grow. You'll start to see patterns where others see chaos, you'll develop instincts, and yeah, maybe you'll even make a little money along the way. But the money isn't the point. Not just yet, it isn't. At this stage, the goal is learning. It's staying alive in the market. It's understanding how currencies move, how to control your risk, how to not blow your account in a week. The profits come later. First comes survival, then skill, then confidence. Here's something else we want to stress. You don't need to quit your job to start trading. In fact, we recommend you don't. Forex can be learned part-time. You can trade before or after work. You can study on weekends. You can start with a demo account, take your time, and move to live trading when you're actually feeling it and ready. That's the beauty of trading from home. You're not locked into someone else's timeline. You move at your own pace. So, can you really trade currencies from home? Yes, but only if you respect the process, only if you understand that this is a journey, not a jackpot overnight. You've got the tools, you've got the tech, and now you've got us. In the next video, we're going to be zooming out and asking the bigger questions. How does Forex compare to the other markets you've probably heard about, right? Like stocks or crypto. What makes Forex different, and why do some people love it, while others never even think to try? Hit that subscribe button. You've taken another step forward. You're not just watching, you're building a foundation here, and the best part, you're doing it from home. So I'll be seeing you in the next video.